Hey guys, so I recently got this hair from Curls Queen and I just wanted to show you guys how I install it. This is what this is what the hair looks like when you get it out the packet. They sent me 4C hair. It's quite 4C hair. It's quite textured. Feels okay. Like I don't know what I was getting myself. Anyway, guys, this is how I receive the hair. Oops, no, wrong. This is how I receive the hair. My bad. See? And this is what it looks like now. All I did was a bit of a deep condition. I trimmed the ends. Sorry about the dog. I trimmed the ends and yeah, deep conditioned, trimmed the ends, and I put it into twists. So you'll see there's a bit of a difference in terms of length. See? There's a difference because I wanted a bit of length. Now I'm going to install it, but the important thing to note when installing is that the hair is different lengths. So depending on where you're going to put it, you need to take note of that. So the bigger pieces will be like in the middle-ish to the top, and then the smaller pieces are like in the back. And then I just leave 2 smaller pieces as a contingency in the middle if something bad happens. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is quickly install. As mentioned before, this is what the hair looks like. This is what my hair looks like. I'm even scared to turn around, yes. Okay, that's what the back of my head looks like, don't judge. Okay, that's why we've got the extensions for bad hair days. So I'm just going to clip that in the back. I'm just going to hook it in randomly. Then I get bigger pieces as I go along. So this is a bit of a bigger piece. I'm just hooking it on anything. And just be gentle. Don't like use aggressive installing tactics. Okay. I'm just hooking it in to my hair. Comme ça. I'm going to wear a headband, so it's no big deal. Just see which one is the longer one, because now we're getting to the hair with the most surface area. So yeah, this is a longer piece. Always start on the ends and then do the internal piece. Literally, those will matter. Okay, got some smaller pieces left. Just gonna put these here. Okay, I still have an extra piece left. I could have added it. I could have added it in the front, but yeah, I'm gonna wear a headband, so not bothered. Headbands. Got this yellow one, got this. So I'll just wear this one. Oh my gosh, everything is dying. Oh my gadgets are dying. Okay, and then I just brush it out a bit. And then if you want it to be a little bit less crazy, you can just deep condition it and put it in twists. But yeah, guys, that is what it looks like. Oh yes, and then make sure if you want details on how to buy this hair, check out Curls Queen. They are an international brand, so it might take a while for it to get here. But yeah, this is what it looks like. The hair is great, quality is great. Yeah, I'm good. I'm happy.